Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Amrin Aktar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. So dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are very fine. Alhamdulillah, Miss is also fine. So students, now I am going to take you English class today, okay? So in our English class, what we learn? In our English class, we learn ABC, right? Then we learn some objects name. Okay.
A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for doll. Doll. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for grapes. Grapes. H for horse. Horse. I for igloo. Igloo. J for juice. Juice. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for moon. Moon. N for nurse. Nurse. O for orange. Orange. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for spider. Spider. T for train. Train. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for window. Window. X for fox. Fox. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra.
So today we will learn two letters. Okay, before starting the class, let's have some fun. Okay. Rain, go away. My rhyme's name is Rain, go away. Rain, go away. Come again on another day. Little baby wants to play. Rain, go away. Thank you. Do you have umbrella? I have umbrella. Okay, can you tell me what for umbrella? Umbrella. So what for umbrella? Can you guess? Which letter sound is ah? Can you guess? U. U phonic sound is ah. Umbrella. Okay students, so today we will learn two letters. Okay, one is T, another one is U. Look, this is T. This is T. T sound is ta. Ta. And this is U. This is U. U sound is ah. U sound is ah. T ta. U, up. U, up. Okay. So now we will see some object that is by T and U. Look here. What is this? This is tree. What for tree? T, ta, tree. T, ta, tree. Okay. Then now it's very scary. Okay, you be safe. Okay. What is it? This is. What is it? This is tiger. T, ta, tiger. T, ta, tiger. T, ta, tiger. Then what is it? This is turtle. This is turtle. T, ta, turtle. T, ta, turtle. Okay. See, what is it? It's a tomato. It's a tomato. Then so T, ta, tomato. T, ta, tomato. Then look, what is it? See, this is telephone. This is telephone. See? Hello. Hello. Okay, so what for telephone? T for telephone. T, ta, telephone. T, ta, telephone. Then what is it? This is truck. This is truck. We use truck for delivering the things from one place to another place. Okay. So T, ta, truck. T, ta, truck. Okay. Then see, this is tank. This is tank. What for tank? Yes. T for tank. T, ta, tank. T, ta, tank. Okay. Now everyone show me your teeth. E. So these are what? Teeth. So we brush our teeth every day twice, right? So look, this is toothbrush and this is toothpaste. T, ta, toothbrush. T, ta, toothpaste. What is it? This is umbrella. This is umbrella. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. For up, U for under. U for up, U, up, U, under. U, up, U, under. Okay, so students, now we will learn how to write T and U. Okay. So look how we can write T and U. At first we will write T. Okay. How we can write T? Standing stick slash sleeping stick. This is T. Again I am showing. Standing stick, then slash, then sleeping stick, like this way. Okay, like this way we can write T. And how we can write U? Half circle, standing stick, half circle, standing stick. Like this way we can write T and U. Okay. In our English copy there are 4 lines and 3 rows. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Okay. So, how we can write T in your copy? T is a tall letter. T is a tall letter. So, you'll write T in the 2 rows. Okay. We'll start from first line. We'll draw standing stick. Go down, down, down like this way. Then we'll draw slash. Then here in the middle there will be sleeping stick. This is T. Okay, this is T. Again Miss is showing, okay. Standing stick. Then slash. Then in the middle line there will be sleeping stick. Okay. Okay. See, standing stick, slash, then sleeping stick. Is it correct? No, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is not correct. Again, see, standing stick, slash, sleeping stick. Is it correct? No, this is also not correct. So, how will write? Again, see, okay? Standing stick, slash, then sleeping stick. Is it correct? Yes, this is absolutely correct. You will write like this way, okay students? Now we will learn how to write U, okay? U is a short letter. U is a short letter. TU is the tall letter. U is a short letter. So, we will write short letter in the middle row. Okay. So, we will start from second line. Half circle, go down, down, then touch the third line, then go up, touch the second line. Okay. Then, I will put and the standing stick. Okay. Go down, 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 touch the third line. This is EU. This is EU. Again I am writing, okay? I'll start from second line. Then I will go down, down like this way. Then I will touch the third line. Then I will go again up and touch the second line. Now, I will draw one standing stick like this way. This is U. Look again. Half circle. Standing stick. Is it U? No, this is not correct. Some of you write like this way without maintaining the line. Is it okay? No, this is not okay. You have to maintain the line. Okay? You have to maintain the line. So, we will write how? See, these two are not correct. We will write in the proper way. Start from the second line. Then touch the third line. Go up and stop again in the second line. And again I will draw standing stick. I will go down, down and I will touch the third line. Okay students, so are you clear? Can you write T and U by yourself? I think you can write, okay? So what we learned today? Can you tell me what have we learned today? Today we have learned T and U. T phonic sound is ta. T phonic sound is ta. T is a tall letter. T is a tall letter. Then T for tiger. T ta tiger. T ta turtle. T ta truck. T ta train. T ta tomato. Can you draw T in the air like this? Standing stick, then slash, then sleeping stick. Okay students, so now another one is U. Another letter is U. U phonic sound is A. U phonic sound is A. U, A. U is a short letter. U is a short letter. U for umbrella. U, A, umbrella. U, A, umbrella. U, A, up. U, A, under. U, A, up. U, A, under. So students, I think you all are clear about it, okay? So no more today. Bye-bye.